Hi, welcome to 56 Upward Skate.
Do you have a favorite study spot?
I'd just say the library in the house because it's like always really quiet down there.
In the library, it's really calming and it's like nice having the books around, and there's actually like great grand windows that I can look out at.
This is our large classroom. This is one of two classrooms in the whole building, and we have big classes in here, and we have our class meetings every Tuesday. And this is our small classroom, which is reserved for students with classes in 15 students or less.
Some students are also coming here to study at night.
Can you tell us about the rooming situation?
Like a mix of 6-person bedrooms, 2-person bedrooms. We have like two 2-person bedrooms, and we have like 2 3-person bedrooms. And we have like a 5-person and 2 6 people. Honestly, I like the 6-person bedroom the best.
One of my very favorite classes is the Elementary Arabic 1 class. We meet in the study room, and there are only 7 students.
Have you made anything in the kitchen?
Ooh, okay. Lately I've been making a lot of like pesto pasta.
There's easier meal prep stuff, like I make sandwiches all the time. I made cinnamon buns and they were pretty good.
This morning, a bunch of us got together and made pancakes for the whole house, which was a lot of fun.
I don't think you guys want me to make anything just for like safety reasons.
How would you describe London?
Spontaneous. One of my favorite things to do is buy West End tickets the day of the play.
Energetic. I feel like I take like 30,000 steps a day.
It feels very loving and I don't know, it just makes me feel good and comfortable.
Because you're in like the bougie part of London, there's like so much stuff to do. So I would say just try to take advantage of like the location.
Just please go out and explore it. Parks, museums, restaurants, you name it.